start the day. Discover all the value you already own. Don't let solutions slip away. Wake up, customer platform. The tools are at your hand. No need to sleep on capabilities that can help your business stand. The answer's right before your eyes. You just need to realize. Wake up, customer platform, and watch your business rise. Wake up, wake up. The platform's waiting for you. Wake up, wake up. See what your system can do.
Good morning, HubSpot Nation. It is time to wake up customer platform with your unofficial HubSpot updates morning show, where we help you discover the platform value you already own. I'm Chris Carolyn, joined by my co-host George B. Thomas. We're here every weekday morning to make sure you're not sleeping on HubSpot's true capabilities. If you're joining live, drop a hello in the comments and let us know what you're building in HubSpot today. Happy Tuesday, November 25th, 2 days until Thanksgiving. How are we doing, George?
Doing good. How you doing, brother?
I am doing well.
Nice.
Kind of a chill week, but also a super packed schedule today. So
there you
maybe
go.
That was just yesterday.
What's the schedule today look like? Lots of content?
Yep. And I actually didn't plan this. If I was better at my job, I probably would have planned this. The cap on the day is me and you having a spicy conversation. I think we're going to end up having about moving away from manipulative incentives to align with purpose as we try to work well with other humans. And don't forget, check out the Profoundly HubSpot Updates blog for all of the recaps that we put together on the daily for our shows. Pretty powerful week last week as we go through, but we've got 9 updates today. So let's get after it. We've got updates to knowledge-based theme.
Nice.
What is it? New customization options and UI enhancements are now available in the knowledge-based tools. You have autocomplete search results that include category and subcategory breadcrumbs. You get a category's sidebar background color that adopts accent type styling. You'll see new spacing options for header components. If you go to theme editor header search bar or theme editor header menu.
Yeah, I love all the screenshots, and you might be wondering, why does it matter? Well, people like when things look nice, but the newest knowledge-based tools aim to provide robust styling options for you, the HubSpot user, and your help centers and articles. These updates support further customization. I will also say this: you might want to run and check and see if you've migrated your knowledge base. I'm not exactly sure when that deadline was, but I know I've seen some portals that still need to have it done. So you'll want to do that, most likely to get this that we're talking about today.
Yeah, you're definitely missing out if you haven't migrated over yet. Number 2 today, agent run sharing.
Wow.
All these new words I never imagined I'd be saying inside of a HubSpot portal. What is it? You can now share Breeze agent run outputs with teammates in your portal using shareable links, making run outputs and activity logs viewable in a shared with me filter.
Oh, interesting. Why does this matter? Teams need a simple way to collaborate on troubleshoot, and share agent run results without complex permission management or manual exporting. Very interesting.
Uh, yes, we do. So it sounds like it works very similar to when we're sharing views
Yep.
uh, in the index page, and if somebody else made the view and
Just
you want
click
to
on
go
it. You don't
see
have
it.
to open it in a new tab. Just click on
Oh,
it.
that's right. That's right.
Yeah.
We're in
There
a
you
new
go.
world now.
Yeah.
Um, yeah. So if you haven't been over to Breeze Studio, this might be new for you. But definitely sharing. This is what I'm excited about in a lot of um, this AI collaborative, like team collaboration
Yeah.
layer that I haven't really seen or heard of, like some just, outside of like the deepest of software engineer and coders getting together on some of these IDE platforms. I haven't really heard it outside of that as far as uh, effective team collaboration between data and agents and just AI doing all this stuff. So I'm excited to see that move forward here. What else do we got today? Can't forget about our reports. We've got improved report refresh rates. What is it? The refresh function on reports works faster than it did before.
Wow, that's a great line right there. Why does it matter? I mean, I'll read it, but you probably already know. The ability to refresh the data in your reports in real time is important, particularly when you want to verify recent updates to your data or troubleshoot discrepancies. Each refresh initiates a new query, ensuring you always see the most current data.
Was it taking too long for some folks, George? I'm not sure.
It must have been obviously.
But I guess
Not be, not be an
we
issue.
when we want it, we want it. We need it right now. So thanks, HubSpot team, for giving that to us.
Yeah, of course.
Uh, Number 4, Survey Monkey app sync data to HubSpot surveys. This is in public beta. What is it? The Survey Monkey app now allows you to automatically sync data as native feedback, survey, and survey response objects in HubSpot. This update allows you to use survey data from SurveyMonkey in tools such as Breeze, workflows, reporting, and segmentation.
Mm. Why does it matter? With this update, your Survey Monkey survey responses become more integrated. HubSpot assets, breaking down barriers between your survey tools and customer insights. Previously, survey data was trapped in activity timelines, limited what your team can do with it within HubSpot. Now you can analyze survey data synced from Survey Monkey with Breeze. Use Survey Monkey survey responses as triggers in HubSpot workflows and build HubSpot reports using SurveyMonkey survey data. Ooh, you can do a lot now.
All of the surveys happening
Join that.
here. Yeah, this is it's been good to see the progress with apps as far as not getting faked out. When it says, "Oh yeah, we see your data over in HubSpot," and then you can't use it in any of the HubSpot tools. This data sync uh, evolution has been very powerful at bringing all of the context into HubSpot in the way that you need it. So very cool. Uh, Number 5 today, line item custom properties is already live
Mm-hmm.
in all portals. Uh, Disagree with the low impact tag here.
Yeah.
What is it? You can now manage line item properties directly in data management, just like you do for contacts, companies, and deals, and now orders and invoices and carts and a lot of other objects.
Yeah. I'm
Uh,
not seeing that in the thing that you're reading, but okay.
yeah. Friendly PSA once a week. There's other objects besides contacts, companies, and deals.
Mm.
This includes creating custom properties on the line item object, which also includes defining calculated and conditional properties for line item. This gives you the flexibility to extend line item data to match your business workflows in a familiar, centralized interface and get closer and closer to that CPQ level functionality that many people are looking forward to.
There we go. So why does it matter? Previously, line items were rigid and custom properties were only available by defining a custom property on products. Now you can customize line items to your sales process without workarounds. Add logic-based fields like margin, fees, or discounts, and unify how you manage data across all your core CRM objects. This simplifies quoting, improves data consistency, and enables richer automation and reporting. Very nice.
Indeed. And there's more to come on line items. Just sit tight, everybody. They're going to keep working on that stuff for us. Replaceable analyze tabs on landing pages, website pages, target accounts, social, and blog.
Mm.
What is it? Custom dashboards. Replace the default analyze tab in landing pages, website pages, social media, blog, and target accounts tools.
Why does this matter? You can now tailor analytics to your specific needs, making insights more actionable and accessible. This allows you to do things like view data most relevant to your role or team, access key metrics faster, improving your decision making, and increase your analytics adoption by customizing the view to your preferences. Mm, mm, mm.
Pretty
All sorts of
straightforward.
customization happening.
Indeed. Make it yours, folks. Customizable sequence on enrollment triggers,
Seen this one before, but it's always a goodie.
medium impact. What is it? You can now customize when contacts are automatically unenrolled from sequences by turning off the default reply and meeting triggers.
Mm. Why does it matter? Previously, sequences automatically ended when contacts replied to any email or booked a meeting, even if you wanted the outreach to continue. This interrupted communication flows beyond initial prospecting, forcing reps to manually re enroll contacts to use workarounds. Now you have the flexibility to continue sequences even after a contact responds. Please, please, by all that is holy, be strategic in how you use this and how your sequences are built if you're going to turn it off or turn it on for the process that you're doing it with.
And if you're not sure why, join us later today for Valley First Humans. Does
Yeah.
this mean we have to recreate uh, these triggers, I guess, if we're moving to custom automations, then we have to turn off the meeting and reply. If we still want that to be a trigger at some point, we probably have to recreate them down here. Yeah.
Well, if you want it to be at some point, then you probably would do it down there. But at the end of the day, I think this is going to, how I feel like, and I could be wrong, most people are going to use this. It's going to be an all or nothing scenario. Like I personally am going to build a sequence and I know that it is a deep in the trenches prospecting. I'm trying 3 times to get them to book a meeting with me. If they book a meeting or reply, I want it to stop because that's the only thing I'm doing. Sequence idea number 2 is it is a drip of value that ends with something of a meeting or whatnot. And so I don't necessarily want them to reply and be like, this was an awesome article, thanks. And it to stop, right? So there's like
No.
there's 2 mindsets in how you're going to use this.
Right. Yeah, they've come so far on sequences in the last year. Very powerful. Autofill smart properties.
There's the ninth one I don't have. Okay.
Yeah.
I had 8. When you said 9 at the beginning, I was like, which one don't I have?
A nice big screenshot here. What is it? You can now schedule automatic updates for smart properties to keep your data current, accurate, and actionable.
Why does it matter? You can now automate the process of refreshing research data in your CRM, saving time and ensuring up to date information. This feature allows you to stay informed about prospect news with weekly updates, capture call insights as soon as new transcripts are available, and focus research efforts on companies entering or exiting specific segments. Very nice.
Getting more powerful by the day.
Oh, tell
Keep
me.
in mind, smart properties use HubSpot credits.
Yes, they do.
I
And
think
if you're not
these,
using your credits, don't let them go to waste.
yeah, I think these are 10. It's a 10 per property fill there. I think so. Last on the list today, we've got AI landing pages, image gen optionality.
Okay.
What is it? When generating a landing page using AI, the default setting is to use placeholder images. Users can choose to opt into one of the following instead: AI generated images or images from their file manager.
Oh, interesting.
If no option is selected, placeholder images will be used.
I'm very curious to how that will work. I'm also very curious how long it'll take before we have Nano Banano Pro in HubSpot. But anyway, why does it matter? Some users have strict brand and legal requirements for images and may prefer not to use AI generated visuals. Additionally, AI image generation increases the overall time it takes to create a landing page. By defaulting to placeholder images, we help reduce, that's HubSpot, not Chris or I. HubSpot helps reduce generation time and ensure users have full control. That's you, by the way, the users, over the image sources used on their pages. If a user chooses to use images from their file manager, this is what I was curious about. We can ideally save additional time by using pre approved on brand media. But how, HubSpot, do you know what media to pick? That's the curiosity that I have. Like, how,
Well, let's dig in. We got a little bit of extra time. So how does it work? Note, to use this feature, ensure that give users access to generative AI tools and features. The files and data setting
yep.
is enabled within AI settings. When a user reaches the generation step during landing page creation, they can select which image source they prefer: AI generated images, images from their file manager, or placeholder images, which is the default. If a user selects images from their file manager, but no suitable match is found, the system will automatically fall back to placeholder image. AI generated images can be later added directly within the editor. Let's see if we can look at this picture and try to understand
But
what that was telling us.
my question is still, what is suitable? How do you know what's suitable? How does the system know what's suitable? Is it based off of keywords? Like, I'm building a landing page about I don't know, Batman. And so now it's looking for all of my images that have Batman in them, or Batman the type. Like, I'm curious how smart HubSpot has gotten. Like, because I know Google can look at a video and be like, it has 3 trees and a tricycle in it. Like, has HubSpot gotten that smart where it's like, this is a group of happy people, even though you named it file 17 xpqt.web? Like, what? I want
Yeah,
to know more of the how.
right.
Anyway,
I mean, I would have to think it needs that context, especially with that AI setting call out. Because if you have that set up, it's been consuming and understanding all of the files in your files area of HubSpot. It does say on the screenshot, it says have us automatically select images from your portal. So I was thinking that maybe you could select some that would
Maybe.
act as common placeholders or maybe common things that you reuse. That is not the case. It apparently knows well enough to select images from your portal. And if you think it's going to find some and then it uses placeholder images, you might need to work on either better images or better organization of your system. But I think the brand settings alone, like, it opens the door for this. This has been some friction for me as it was definitely a choice that you have to make. It's either I still have to do all the work to manually put images everywhere, or I've just got to like be totally hands off and let AI create stuff. And I could never get there, especially in Gamma, like understanding how to like break through add a little bit of control to the images that were in use. I'm sure they found a way to make it easier by now. But I like the potential here for sure, to be pulling from a controlled set of images.
Yeah, speaking nothing of HubSpot, but you brought the word gamma up. Have you seen the fact that Nano Banano is in Google Slides now, Pro? And does that make you wonder if you need Gamma anymore?
I have already been like, I definitely think there's a path towards consolidating into the Google stack easier than ever before. I've been playing with some automated flows to bring some stuff I've been doing over from Claude. But yeah, it's getting to be a powerful system over there in Google land, which you'd expect it to be. And to your point, like the integration that HubSpot has with Google, it's pretty tight in a lot of spaces. So I wouldn't be surprised if they brought that model over. Although I do know most everything AI in HubSpot is supported by GPT. So they also have built a lot of their own AI.
Yeah.
Like kind of localized LLM inside of HubSpot.
As they can and should.
Right. Because it's a different kind of use case than just going over to the LLM and asking for images. So they've done a pretty good job, and I've actually been surprised on the images front of how good it's been inside of HubSpot on the generation of images. So
yeah, I've played around with it, and pleasantly, I've said, "Well, that actually doesn't suck." Okay, maybe I'll use that one. Yeah.
Yep. Nice to escape that blank page syndrome. For sure. Remember, folks, you probably already own the solution you're looking for in HubSpot. Sometimes you just need to wake up to it. Join us tomorrow morning live at 7:30 a.m. Central, or catch us anytime on Spotify and Apple Music. Drop your biggest takeaway in the comments and let us know what capabilities you want to wake up to next. Until then, I'm Chris Carolyn.
And I'm George B. Thomas.
And this has been Wake Up Customer Platform. Now go build something amazing. Have a great day, everybody.
Customer platform, it's time to start the day. Discover all the value you already own. Don't let solutions slip away. Wake up, customer platform. The tools are at your hand. No need to sleep on capabilities that can help your business stand. The answer's right before your eyes. You just need to realize. Wake up, customer platform, and watch your business rise.